In this class, we'll be solving this math problem. So let's write our solution. You see, this number added down here is refers to as the base. You understand? They are refers to as what? Base. This number added down here, they are refers to as base. Okay, so here I have log base 2, log base 2 into brackets, log base 3 into brackets, log base 2, that is log x. This one now is log x base 2. Close the brackets. Everything equals to what? Equals to 1. Then we want to find the value of what? X. Okay, first thing we do is to write this expression. Back here, which is exactly the same thing as this. Okay, but I need to show you something. Now, I want to cancel this log base 2 here. So I need to express this in log base 2 in such a way that our answer must still be equals to 1. You know, everything here is equals to 1. So our answer must be equals to 1, and I need to express what is here in log base 2 here. In log base 2. Now, let me show you something. Whenever you have log, let's assume you have log 10 base 10, log 3 base 3, log 2 base 2. As far the log and the base are the same, this is the log, why this is the base? Log 10 base 10. As far the log and the base are the same, it will give me 1. Log 3 base 3, it will give me what? 1. The log and the base are the same. Log 2 base 2 will give me what? 1. So I said I want to express this in log base 2, right? So that we can cancel this log base 2 here. So if I replace this 1 with log base 2, log base 2 is equals to what? 1, which is exactly the same thing as 1. Okay, so I will now replace this 1 with log 2 base 2. You understand now? So that we can cancel this log base 2 here. So here I have what? Log base 2 into brackets, log base 3, close the bracket, another bracket, log base 2, that is log x base 2, close the bracket, equals to, now I want to replace this with what? Log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 is equals to, is still the same thing as 1. So I will replace it with log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 is equals to what? 1. So it's still the same. The reason I'm expressing it in log base 2 is because, as I've said, that I want to cancel this log base 2. You know, they are now the same, so I can cancel them. So log base 2 is here, log base 2 is here. So this log base 2 here, we cancel this log base 2 here. Okay, so here I will be left with what? This log base 2 I've cancelled. I'll be left with log base 3, put under brackets, log x base 2 equals to what? I'm left with what here? 2. I'm left with 2. Okay, so now this thing, I want to express this 2 in the base of in log having the base of 3. I want to express this 2 in log having the base of 3. Then I showed you something earlier, that whenever you have log 3 base 3, it will give you what? 1. So if log 3 base 3 will give you 1, what about log 3 raised to the power of 2 base 3? This will give me 2. Why? Because this power will have to come here. Okay, so if this power come here, it will be 2 times this power. We have to leave this place, come here, it will be 2 times. So everything here, log 3 base 3, which is exactly equals to what? 1. So 1 times 2 will give me what? Will give me 2. Okay, so I will replace this one with what? I will replace it with log 3 raised to the power of 2 base 3. Okay, so this will be log base 3 here first, into brackets, log x base 2, close the bracket. Then, as I've said, I'll be expressing this in log base 3. So this will be log 3 raised to the power of 2 base 3. Now, if you find log 3 raised to the power of 2, you know, if you bring this 2 here, to multiply it, this 2, if you bring it here, it will become what? 2 times log I'll be left with log 3 base 3, right? And you know that log 3 base 3 will give me what? Will give me what? 1. So if I use 1 to multiply this 2, it will still give me 2. You understand? So everything here is also equals to what? 2. Okay? So now I want to cancel this log base 3. Cancel this log base 3. Here we have log base 3 cancel. Log base 3 cancel log base 3. Okay? I'll be left with what? Log x base 2 equals to what? 3 raised to the power of 2. That is log x base 2 equals to what? 3 raised to the power of 2 is equals to what? 9. Okay? Now, if you remember from logarithm that whenever you from law of logarithm, that whenever you have log, let's assume you have log of any number here. Let's assume you have log a having base x equals to n, right? Whenever you have log in this form, this is also the same thing as this is equals to this will be equals to x raised to the power of n equals to a. So it will be x raised to the power of this n equals to a. So this is equals to this, okay, from law of logarithm. So compare it with this. You know, we say x raised to the power of this n, right? So this will be 2 raised to the power of what? 9. This will be 2 raised to the power of 9 equals to what? X. X raised to the power of n equals to a. So this will be 2 raised to the power of 9 equals to what? X. So this will give me what? 2 raised to the power of 9 is equals to 512. 2 raised to the power of 9 is equals to 512 equals to x. Therefore, our x equals to what? 512. Okay, and the correct option there is option D. Stay tuned for more tutorial videos. See you in my next video. Consider to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you.